Greetings. It is me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Area. It's from a video called The Expired Muffin. Dash a Fart. It was published a year ago on March 22nd. The duration of the sound effect is 0:38 to 2:39. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound effect is 2 minutes long. So I'm gonna I need to use my tummy muscles to get the poop out, and I have to fart for 2 minutes straight. Yeah. Gah, I dropped 5 big turds. Ooh, that feels so good. Make sure you use Aria's farting sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay? Next, I will talk about the 3-minute farting sound effect from Moonlight.